In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Hytale step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you'd like. And essentially just type in Hytale download and then hit enter. You're going to see the very first option right here. Go ahead and select this. And once you are on a page that looks like this, go ahead and select download. From here, select download for Windows and it's going to begin downloading the installer. The standard edition, which is the cheapest edition, is going to be $20. So just keep that in mind. But go ahead and launch the Hytale launcher. Hit install, hit next, next again, hit install again, and wait for the page to load. From here, go ahead and select finish. And it's going to load the Hytale launcher where you're going to be prompted to create or sign in to a Hytale account. So go ahead and hit sign in. And then you could choose any of these options right here. I'm just going to choose Google. Put in your date of birth if it's your first time making an account. And then from here, you need to make sure that you do have that game. So back out, go back to the website, and you're going to see a pre-purchase option. Scroll down, and you'll see all the options here, whether it is standard, supporter, or curse breaker. Go ahead and select whatever option you want. In this case, we'll go ahead and say that we're going to get this standard edition. And once you do have that purchase, return to the login section, and you'll see that you'll be able to access that launcher. From here, accept the terms of service, hit install, and wait for it to install. Whenever it does finish, go ahead and hit play, and you will begin loading into Hytale. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.